All right, my seventh grade friends. Monday, May 11th, simplify the expression, write your answer as a power. So essentially, this is division. And as we've talked about, when we divide exponents, we simply, as long as they have the same base number, we just add the exponents. So when I do this first one, 7 to the power of 6 divided by 7 to the power of 5, all I'm going to do is 6 minus 5. Well, 6 minus 5 is 1, but I don't like to use 1 as an exponent, so it's 7 to the power of 1, but I understand that just to be 7. So here I have negative 21 to the power of 15 divided by negative 21 to the power of 9. Once again, same base number. All I'm doing is 15 minus 9. Well, 15 minus 9 is 6. That means that this is negative 21 to the power of 6. 8.6 to the power of 11 divided by 8.6 to the power of 4. Well, once again, the same base number, 8.6. So all I'm doing is 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 is 7. So this is 8.6 to the power of 7. You get the idea. This isn't real hard, 7th grade. 3.9 to the power of 20 divided by 3.9 to the power of 10. Same base number, 3.9. So all I'm doing is 20 minus 10. Well, 20 minus 10 is 10. So this is going to be 3.9 to the power of 10. Now you will notice how in this one they had parentheses in the original problem. So I put parentheses in my answer. Okay? Here, they did not have parentheses. So I did not put parentheses in my final answer. Parentheses here, parentheses in my answer. No parentheses, no parentheses. You get the idea. Be consistent with whatever the problem is doing regarding parentheses or no parentheses. X to the power of 7 divided by x to the power of 3. Well, the same base number is x. So all this is going to be is 7 minus 3. Well, 7 minus 3 is 4. So this is going to be x to the power of 4. X to the power of 32 divided by x to the power of 16. Once again, same base number, x. So it's 32 minus 16. Well, 32 minus 16 is 16. So this is x to the power of 16. This gets a little more interesting where now we've got some multiplication going on with our fraction. But it doesn't have to be difficult. 8.7 8 to the power of 7 times 8 to the power of 4. Well, we know when we're multiplying, okay, that if we have the same base number, we just add the exponent. So here for my numerator at the top, I think, well, 7 plus 4 is 11. So I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to imagine this as 8 to the power of 11. Now, 8 to the power of 11 divided by 8 to the power of 9, same base number. So now it's just a subtraction problem. 11 minus 9. Well, 11 minus 9 is 2. So this is 8 to the power of 2. All right? And it wants you to write your answer as a power. Okay, you'll notice that I'm not trying to solve any of these exponents. Your answer needs to be written as an exponent. You don't need to simplify. Eventually, we will get to simplifying in the future. That's not for today's assignment. All right, today's assignment, write your answer with the exponent included. That's what's expected. All right, so here is negative 1.1 in parentheses all the way around. Here, negative 1.1, same there, same there, same there. Multiplication for both the numerator and the denominator. So up here, it's going to be 13 plus 12. That's 25. So I can kind of cross that out, and I can think, well, negative 1.1 to the power of 25. Down here, it's going to be 10 plus 1, so that's 11. I can think of this as negative 1.1 in parentheses to the power of 11. So now it's a division problem. So I'm going to do 25 minus 11. It's negative 1.1 in the power of 25 divided by negative 1.1 to the power of 11. They have the same base number, negative 1.1, so it's just 25 minus 11. Well, 25 minus 11, if I know how to subtract, equals 14. So I think that this is going to be negative 1.1 to the power of 14. Maybe as your teacher, I should be a little more confident. So we're just going to be confident. I'm just going to say yes. That is the answer. Negative 1.1 in parentheses to the power of 14. All right, our last one here over in the corner. M to the power of 50 times m to the power of 17 over m to the power of 22 times m to the power of 15. Once again, it's m is the base number all the way around, all right? No, you're not getting anything today with different base numbers. That's a totally different skill, and you can't just do all the adding and subtracting with exponents, which is what we're trying to teach. So here you have a multiplication problem, m to the power of 50 times m to the power of 17. So we're going to have to add the 50 and the 17. That's going to give me 67. So at the top, it's going to be m to the power of 67. Now down here at the bottom for my numerator, it's m to the power of 22 times m to the power of 15. 22 plus 15 is 37. So this becomes m to the power of 37. So I'm going to cross this off, m to the power of 37. So now it's m to the power of 67 divided by m to the power of 37. Okay, so now that's just a division problem. So all I'm doing, since they have the same base number m, is subtracting 67 minus 37. Well, 67 minus 37 is 30. So this is m to the power of 30. All right, 7th grade, we'll help you with this Monday, May 11. Talk to you later. Bye.